Hey everyone, Jeff McDowell, the bald guy here to bring you a video tour on this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Really nice car. I actually traded for this one. Apologize, we got a little bit of some dirt on it just because it's that time of year and we haven't gotten to wash these yet. Front end doesn't have anything for extra wear and tear. Here's your passenger front wheel. Look down the passenger side, see it's free of dents and dings. Take a look at the interior. You do have some door edge guards right here. Minimal wear and tear. It was an older couple that I traded this from and kept it in the garage. Took really good care of it. I don't think they ever really used the back seats at all. There's no odors from like pets or smoking. Your passenger rear wheel. You get your 60-40 split. Look down the driver's side, also free of dents and dings. There's your driver wheels. Get the Harman Kardon surround sound. Seats are in good shape. See just over 32,000 miles, and of course the infotainment system, dual climate control, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You got the cameras for the 360, so really cool setup all the way around. But looking forward to getting this into your garage and over to its new home. Let me know if you have any other questions on this and be happy to answer them for you. Take care.